Riverside, California. The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a flash flood warning for Riverside County in Southern California until 6:45 p.m. PDT. At 3:48 p.m. PDT, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Box Canyon Road, Eastern Mecca. These are the 3 p.m.